went to her cabin. It was really cold and we took snow machines to get there, but this time we are taking a boat. It is kind of not great weather right now. Hopefully it at least clears up a little bit when we're there, but it doesn't really matter. It's summertime and we don't have to bring as much gear. That's always a plus. We finally made it. And look at the rain.
Mom, here, we'll put this cooler right here and we close the door and you can sit right there.
Hey! We made it! Just in time for the rain. What do you have to say, Bonnie, about today?
It was fantastic.
I'm gonna get a video of you.
Oh, I felt a bug on my butt. Yeah.
I just ran out here and I'm like, oh my gosh, look at the sunset. And I wasn't even filming, so I have to come back out here. Look how pretty the sunset is right now. That view right there. It's pretty awesome. Back on the lake on the jet ski. We're gonna go to a little beach, I guess. Bonnie's driving the jet ski. Look how calm the water is. Oh, yeah, we're gonna go fast. Now we've arrived at the beach. Welcome to Alaskan beaches. Okay. This is freaking hard. Oh, this is scary. All right. This is my first time on a paddleboard. Don't make fun of me. Let me see if I can get the view. Look at that view. A lot of sacrifices are being made. Look at this. Oh. Oh my gosh. I almost fell. Gosh. Bonnie, stop!
I'm just moving.
Ah, stop!
Like this.
Stop! Ah! Say hi, Mama.
Hello. Did you die?
No, but there's still time.
Don't tempt me.
Hey, we're still really far from shore, okay? It's so nice and calm. I would not have done this yesterday.
No, me neither. My butt itches.
She has 5 mosquito bites on her butt.
On one cheek.
You gotta get the other cheek.
I know.
Gotta even it out.
Damn lumpy butt.
All done. Heading home. Say hi, Bubba.
We're going to Anna's tonight.
Going to Anna's tonight. There's bonfire. Woo woo. It's not raining, so we're sitting at the front of the boat. Okay, that's about it.